Okay, so welcome to Python Superclass. In this particular lecture, I am going to tell you what is enumeration. So, as per the literal definition of enumeration, it means a numeric listing of objects. That means if I have a collection of objects, then if I present that object along with some number, then that is known as enumeration. Okay. For example, let's say I've got a list, like a list, and it contains some words. Let's say red, and then there is orange. So these are some names of these are the names of some colors. Okay, red, orange. Then there is blue. Okay, and green. Okay, so let's say these are some colors, and now what I want to enumerate this listing. If I consider each string as an object, I want to print or I want to get the numeric listing of these objects, or I want uh, the list of the list of this or these objects in a numeric fashion, in a numeric order. So what I'll do, I'll basically use a function called as enumerate. For example, let's say I've got a result variable, okay, res. Then what I'll do, I'll use res equals to enumerate lst. Okay. Now, what this will do, this will convert this list object into an enumeration object. Okay. So, what does enumeration actually mean? An enumeration would convert this list into something like this. One, then red. Okay, then let's say another word like two, orange. Okay, so what it will do, it will attach one number, either 1 or 0 or some other number. So what it will do, it will associate one number with this with each object of this list. Okay, now so that is going to be the output. Okay, so now let's see how to do this. If I print the result now, what is going to be the result? It is going to be just an object and not all the values are going to be printed. So if I print res and if I execute this code, let's say run enumerate, then it is going to say enumerate object at this particular location. So it is the memory location, and it is saying that this is an object stored at this particular location. Now how to grab or how to find what data is there in this enumeration? So since I've told you that this is going to be a numeric listing of the objects, that means there are going to be two terms involved here. First, a numeric index, and second, the actual value. So if I execute it, what if I want to take the output of this, then what I need to do? Let me just comment this print statement. Then what I'll do? I'll have to use a for loop, okay, because it contains multiple elements. And what I'll do? I'll say p value in res. Okay, because this res object or this enumeration object will be in this form. So what I am doing, I am keeping two variables, one for this key or this index. So if I change it to like index, that will make more sense. So this is going to be one variable is going to be for index, and another variable is going to be for the actual value. So if I execute this code and I print, let's say stri, okay, stri plus, let's say I concatenate a comma here, and let me add str value. So if I do this thing, then what is going to happen? Let me check if it is correct synthetically. There seems to be some issue. So there is a typo. I need to, yeah, now it looks correct. So what I am doing, I am printing the key or the index, and I am also printing the value, and both of them are separated by comma. So now if I execute the code, what is going to be the output? The output would be something like this. Okay, so this was something which I already told you. Now what is the use of enumeration? Enumeration is basically used if I want to convert, although there are multiple applications of it, and we'll keep on revisiting enumeration time and again, like when we'll talk about classes, then I'll tell you one application of enumeration. Also, so I'll keep on telling you the purpose of enumeration time and again. But one purpose of enumeration which can be mentioned right now is I can convert any indexed collection or any collection, whether it is an indexed collection or an indexed collection, into a dictionary. Okay, so for example, this is a list. Okay, and now I want to convert this list into a key value pair or into in a dictionary. Then what I'll do? I'll use, let's say I am storing the final result here in result equals to, I'll typecast the intermediary result as dictionary. Okay, so what I am doing for now, I am just commenting these values. Okay, and now let me print the result. Let me execute this code. Now it is saying 0 is the key for red, 1 is the key for orange, 2 is the key for blue, 3 is the key for green. Now I told you that if you remember that I initially typed 1 red, 2 orange, and so on. So how to identify or how to define what index value we need to take it as the starting point for indexing. So how I can change this index value? So to change this index value, what I need to do, I will pass one comment, I will pass one parameter, sorry, I will pass one parameter, and here I will specify the starting index for the enumeration. So suppose if I pass 1 here, then this listing will start from 1, and so now what will be the output? Output would be 1 red, okay, 2 orange, 3 blue, and 4 green. Similarly, if I change this value to 5, then this whole thing will start from 5. So first value will be indexed at 5. Second value will be shown or will be represented by 6. Third, blue will be represented by 7, and this green will be represented by 8. So let me just execute this code. So that is what the output is. Okay. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next one. Thank you.